Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought we would do a day in the life. We've already done half the day at the gym this morning, but we've not done one in so long. I thought let's capture a bit of today, what we can. And stinky pants.
Bald.
And stinky pants.
Yeah.
And stinky and smarty pants and stinky pants in your brain. so be the one to be fair.
Do you want to sit in your seat? We need to strap you in. Okay. See you in a bit. So the joys of being on Slimming World and having lots of party food left over from Icy's birthday yesterday means that they're all having goodies for picnic, and I'm just grabbing a Subway salad to take with us to the beach. So that's what's happening now. James and Icy's have just nipped to the shop, and eventually we will get on our way.
We are stuck in traffic, but if you look out the window, you will be able to see this. Let me see up there. We are here, and here is Mummy.
We've arrived and we're just at the beach. Come on, little miss. We're just going to find Nanny and Grandad and then take our picnic down to the beach. What have you found, Judah?
Lots of dogs. Look at the dogs. And there's dogs there.
Do you like all the doggies? You enjoying your picnic, baby?
There you go, Daddy.
Where's my healthy extra B?
Scoffing celery while they're eating cake. Dedication.
Well, I'm having party rings.
Party rings are healthy extra B.
This is your Slimming World plan.
Works.
No, we used to like party rings and little gems, didn't you?
We had a lovely time on the beach, but I didn't really film the children because they were playing with another little child that wasn't ours, so I didn't really want to put them on camera. We're going for ice cream now. You can all have a bath when we get home. I can smell it really strong now. Somebody's enjoying some substances they shouldn't be having. We have just come on here to talk to you about something really, really important.
It's the most important thing ever.
I think it's the most important thing we've ever discussed on the vlog.
It is definitely that.
Do you want to tell them what it is?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Dun dun dun.
Ice cream is like the best thing on a summer's day.
Ice cream is amazing. I am a robot because ice cream is amazing.
And for all my Slimming Worlders watching, I'm gonna have a twister. We usually get mini twisters in at the house and they're 2 cents, but I'm gonna have a big one because that's what they've got here, and that's only 4, and that's fine.
I'm having a Mr. Whippy with a flake.
Yeah, don't rub it in. I will be content with my twister.
You will have your twister and pretend this is a Mr. Whippy.
Yeah, I'll look at yours while I eat mine and maybe my brain will be confused.
Yes, do that. I'm going to queue up because
She's going now to get her ice cream.
So yes, this is amazing ice cream.
What have you got, darling? Show me, show me. Do you want me to open it for you?
No, have a try.
You'll have a try, okay. Hey, well done. Oh, you need to get it from the other end. Let me hold it for you. You can get the stick, pull it off. Pull it off. Whee, get the stick. Wait, put that rubbish in the bin. Don't let it run away. Oh dear, but did you save it? Yeah. What's Daddy got? Oh, Mr. Whippy. Nanny's got Mr. Whippy. Shayla's got a Haribo.
I didn't get a flake because it wouldn't have contravened my diet. This is a healthy extra egg 'cause it's dairy. But a flake, no.
We've had a nice day, haven't we? Everyone's just had their ice creams.
I'm meeting Eden's ice lolly.
Hello, Eggman vlog entry. We've just been to Lytham, the seafront.
Can you learn if you want
Had a lovely time. Judith's singing on the way home. And we are going to make a proper meal because we've been eating party rubbish for days. And we need something good and solid.